Hi guys, it's Andy. Welcome to the fourth episode of HTML and CSS Add Their Feature. Let's talk about styles. You will use styles to create unique pages because no one wants to create millions of similar websites, right? The main tool for that is CSS, of course, and we'll discuss it next, but first you want to know what HTML allows you to do with its tools. As we already know, the main purpose of HTML is to create document structure, and it has a lot of different structural tags, as well as those which bring their own default stylings. Let's go through some tags which you may use quite often, and I will start with creating a paragraph filled with some lorem text. And let's start with B tag. The B tag stands for bold text, of course, and that means that, as you see, your text will become bolder here. It will increase its font weight, as it will be more appropriate to say. And let's go to the next tag, which I will call italic, and of course it is called italic, and its shortcut is I. So as you see here, the text is now in italic view, and probably you will do this in CSS, but remember that you better to highlight it in code with B and I tags correspondingly. Another interesting tag is called strong, and it has the same default styling for most of the browsers as bold tag. But anyway, I suggest you to use this tag because its meaning and structure is different. It makes reading programs to use lower voice for the text inside the tag. It will be also a good practice to create another styling for it, and let's do this by adding a mark tag inside of it, because we already know that you can actually put in as much nested text as you need until it makes sense. And by using mark, we created a marked text, obviously, and it has also default styling like this in Chrome. So there are a lot of tags of this type, and you can actually use del to create deleted text, or sub tag to create subscripted text. For example, here as you see, it's subscripted to our main content, and you can actually use sub to create a superscripted text, which you will see here. These are more like an in-depth things for developers that are already confident with HTML, and to be honest, I think that whether you're good with it or not defines only the amount of tags you use in your code and whether they on its place or not. So as always guys, if you want to check more cool stuff, go to the next video and may the force be with you.